If you're as sick as I am of seeing ads on Facebook all the time, let me show you how to get rid of a lot of them. New ones are going to creep up every now and then, but this is going to block the majority of them. If you go down to the description, you're going to find a link that's going to take you to your ad preferences on Facebook. Just click that and it's going to take you to this page that you're watching now. All I'm doing is I've got a populated list right here on this page for all these stupid ads I keep seeing. I'm just clicking hide ad, and if you can see at the top, I've got one that I actually don't want to hide. I don't want to hide the Cameo, because I might end up using that business just to prank friends with their heroes and stuff, just to put a smile on their face. And we're going to keep on going over to the refresh button each time that we've hid all of the ads. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up now, because this actually took me 10 full minutes to get rid of all of them. And I know you don't have that kind of time, so let me show you what happens when you're finished with it. And while you wait for just this few seconds, I'm going to give you some awesome mouth music. You gotta love the power of editing. So now that we are almost finished, you'll see that I'm only given one option each time I click the refresh button. And now they're gone. Let's check to see. Oh, these are all the ones I just hid. And new ads will continue to creep in from time to time, but if you do this about once a month, you'll get rid of the bulk of them. And I can finally say goodbye to all of these ads that I've been seeing. Bye-bye, ads. Don't let the door hit you directly in the butthole on your way out.